Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your hubcaps into spinners. First, you gotta get a tool that of your choice to cut the hubcap into the shape that you desire. Get rid of all that and cut off everything on the back so it could be flat like this, so it won't hit anything on the rim. And I use a angle grinder with a cutoff wheel. It can cut metal and all that. Yeah, I use it a lot in welding class. And you're gonna need a 2-inch Lazy Susan bearing, 4 of them, and I'm gonna provide a link to get them in the description on Amazon. They're really cheap. And screws, you could get them for less than $1 at Walmart. Screws of your choosing, any screws you want. I prefer wood screws because it's drilling into plastic. And you're gonna need a tool that can drill the holes to put on the bearing. It's gonna go on the back right here. And yeah, and I use this Dremel from Harbor Freight. It's like $10, and I could put all kinds of attachments on it, like these drill bits, which I used, starting with the smallest drill bit because I don't want to crack the plastic. And I might have to cut off little tight spaces using this little cutoff wheel for the Dremel as well. And you're also going to need your center wheel caps, and you're going to do the same thing with them as you did with the hubcap to drill the holes. Yeah, and the finished product is going to look like this. Yeah. Yeah, there's the bearing in the center. You can see it. There's the wheel cap, wheel center cap. There's the hubcap. And of course, I sanded the hubcap and painted it metallic. I couldn't find any chrome paint or anything. I'm gonna get nicer head caps and hubcaps in the future. And I'm gonna try chrome vinyl and see if that works. And that's the finished product. As I said, at first you're gonna cut off everything sticking out in the back, drill the holes, and screw in the bearing. And yeah, that's not much else. It's pretty easy. And I don't know if I mentioned it already, that I'm gonna provide the link in the description to the video that inspired me to make this video. It just gave me an idea. I don't know, I'm just doing it as a joke on my car when I ever feel like putting them on my car. Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't think it's gonna work with steel rims because it doesn't use a center cap and the nuts are gonna get in the way. Unless you want to get like a center cap, but it's gonna stick out all the way out here, and yeah, I think it'll look retarded. So I think it's gonna look best with aluminum rims, because they have center wheel caps and the nuts are like deep in the rim instead of sticking out like this. But yeah, I painted my own steel rims. Yeah. But I also just got aluminum rims, and I'm working on painting them right now. This is what I'm talking about when I went with the aluminum rims. You see, the nuts will be deep in here. They're more recessed into the rim. So, and the hubcap will be out here, so it won't be hitting the nuts. And like a little bit round out here, the wheel cap will be here, and it won't hit anything. These are currently a work in progress. I just painted them. I got this whole set for $40. I just need to get a valve stem and get them mounted and balanced with brand new tires. And yeah, you could paint it whatever color you want. I chose a dark color so the spinner hubcaps could stick out more. But yeah, and they're like, since they're aluminum, they're lighter than steel, and it's gonna improve my miles per gallon. And they're the same size, 15-inch, as my steels. But yeah, And the same goes for the hubcaps. You paint them whatever color you want. And it'll it'll be a while before I upload this video, but when I do, I'll update some more on it. So now that you drilled all the holes and screwed on the bearing to the back of the hubcap, you want to just see these spots right here. See, I can barely fit the screw right here. So you gotta, like, the screw won't go through, so you gotta grind it with the Dremel, a little stone attachment. I'll show you. I move that out of the way. And just grind it. I'm gonna drop my microphone for a sec. It's hard to do this without two hands. So you just keep grinding it till you can fit the screw through there. It's pretty easy. Or if you want, you could just get the cutting wheel attachment and just cut a little section off there so you could fit on the screw. And after that, you're able to screw on the center wheel cap, like right there. And after that, you're able to put it on your car. After that, you can spin it like riding spinners. Yeah, it spins pretty good too. Here's the finished product. This is several months later. Since then I got new rims and had to rework on the hubcaps to fit the new rims. Oh yes. Now a drive test after this. It's just for a joke. I'll get nicer looking hubcaps later on and wrap them in vinyl chrome wrap. And yeah.